Let's draw together. Please like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care.